Hi boys and girls, how are you? I hope you're well. Today we're going to talk about the grizzly bear a little bit more, and we're going to start by reviewing. Do you remember where the word grizzly bear is located? That's right, at the bottom. Let's say grizzly bear. Grizzly bear. Now we're going to use the sentence, a grizzly bear has, and we're going to review, and this time we're going to be reviewing all of our words and pictures that are blue. A grizzly bear has sharp claws. Your turn. A grizzly bear has paws. Your turn. A grizzly bear has 4 legs. A grizzly bear has 42 teeth. Your turn. A grizzly bear has a snout. A grizzly bear has small ears. A grizzly bear has a hump. A grizzly bear has long, thick, brown fur. All right, boys and girls, next we're going to go and we're going to do the sentence starter. A grizzly bear eats. And we're going to look at the words that are green and the pictures that are green. A grizzly bear eats berries. A grizzly bear eats fish. You know, something we didn't talk about is that because a grizzly bear eats berries and fish, there's something called an omnivore. When you eat plants and animals, you're an omnivore. I'm an omnivore. I might eat things that come from animals, and I might eat things that come from plants. I'm an omnivore. Do you eat hamburgers and hot dogs, or chicken, or shrimp? Do you eat apples or bananas or strawberries? Okay, when you eat both of those, you are an omnivore too. Next, we're going to use the sentence starter, a grizzly bear lives. Ready? A grizzly bear lives in the forest. Your turn. A grizzly bear lives in a den. Your turn. Right. Okay, so boys and girls, today we're going to talk about something they can do and how they move. And they can run. Ooh, there's our grizzly bear. And he's about to get going running, and he can run 30 miles an hour. And I'm going to put that right there. And I'm going to write, I'm going to use my purple. I'm going to write run, R-U-N, and the number 30 is a 3 and a 0. And I'm going to use something called an abbreviation, M-P-H, and that means it's short for miles per hour. M-P-H. So a grizzly bear can run 30 miles per hour. So I'm going to go over here to our paper, just so in case you want to go later and you want to write on your whiteboard. A grizzly bear, and we're going to write can, C-A-N, can run 30 miles per hour. All right, friends. Next, we're going to talk about something that's kind of interesting about grizzly bears. We've got 2 things that I want to share with you. Now, one is, and if you had a chance to read our storybook already, you might remember this part. Only the cubs will climb the tree. Only cubs. Can we see this over here? So here's our cub. And over here, I'm going to do in my red marker, I'm going to make a tree. And And I'm going to make a cub that is climbing the tree. So only the cub is going to climb the tree. So I'm going to write climb a tree. C-L-I-M-B, climb. A, there was like a popsicle stick space, and tree. T-R-E-E. I have one more thing that I want to talk about, and it is that grizzly bears they're great swimmers. So I'm going to write down, where do we have space for this? Maybe I'll put it over here. Can you see it over there? Yeah, okay. And I'll put swim. S-W-I-M. So they can swim. And only the cub can climb a tree. Now we also know that a grizzly bear, their sense of smell is really good. There's so many things we could talk about, but I think that our poster is pretty full for now. If you want, get out your whiteboard and you can write some of this too. Maybe you want to write tree or cub or berries or fish, or maybe you want to try a sentence, a grizzly bear can. You choose. All right, friends, that's all for today. Until next time.